In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make any car look epic using a phone and a very cheap gimbal. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I'm going to show you 10 creative ways that you can make any car look epic using a phone and a gimbal. So I'm using the iPhone 11 with the DJI Osmo Mobile. I've used this gimbal in previous videos. It's incredibly cheap, easy to use. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now with this phone and gimbal combo, it's possible to make any car look epic.
Including this piece of crap. This is a Vauxhall Astra Estate in fire engine red. The car is missing both front hubcaps, it's covered in an array of scratches and scuffs. I have absolutely no idea what's supposed to go here, and I'm pretty sure these are vomit stains on the passenger seat.
So if it's possible to make this car look epic, it's possible to make any car look epic.
Now let's kick things off with gimbal move number 1, the establisher. A nice easy one to start. We're going to push forward with our camera at around about waist height and keep our focal point nice and centered. As with all of these shots, walk at a nice consistent pace and make sure your shot is properly exposed. The crane tilt. We're going to crouch down, stand up and tilt our camera whilst doing a crane shot. Again, keep your focal point nice and centered here. Perfectly timed camera movement is key, so it may take a few attempts. The orbit, a great camera move for showing off all sides of your car. Center your focal point and then walk around your car, keeping an equal distance from it at all times. You might get a bit dizzy with this one, but it's absolutely worth it for the shot. The badge slider. Great for showing off your car's branding, not so much this one because it's a Vauxhall, no offense, but a nice easy one. Simply move your camera from left to right or right to left and slide past the badge. A very cinematic movement this one, so great for making your car and footage look epic. The interior pullout. Lean in through the driver's side window, frame your shot and pull back out through the window. This shot is great for showing off the car's interior, and pulling back out through the window creates a really dynamic shot to help take your footage to the next level. The front interior pullback. Lean in through the passenger side door, pointing your camera forwards and pull back. A great shot for revealing your car's front interior, and swooping closely past the seats like this really emphasizes your camera movement.
Okay, now I've got this really crazy idea for a shot. I don't know whether it's going to work, but I want the camera to be between the driver and the passenger seat facing forward, and then pull back over the back seats, through the boot and out the back. But the only problem is, in order to do that, I would need an extension pole, which I don't have. But what I do have is a broomstick and some duct tape.
I'm going to attach my gimbal to the broomstick like this, and just like that, I've got a gimbal on a DIY extension pole. The Epic Broomstick Interior Pullback. I'm literally making these names up as I go along. We're going to start by leaning in through the back of our car with our camera all the way at the front facing forwards. We're then going to very carefully pull our camera back over the back seats and through the boot. This creates a very unique shot and will have people questioning how on earth you pulled this one off. A great shot for capturing all the interior and will definitely add intrigue to your video. The top-down crane. Using your broomstick or extension pole, if you have one, lift your camera high and point it down over your car. Pull your camera back to capture a top-down shot whilst revealing your car. The through the passenger and driver side window broomstick pullback. Try saying that 3 times fast. We're going to lean in through the driver side window with our broomstick and camera facing forwards, and then pull back through both windows. Another very unique shot this one, not something that you see often, if at all, and looks great going forwards or backwards.
The fake drone pullback. The idea here is to mimic a drone shot using our gimbal and broomstick. Start with your camera as high as it will go and then walk backwards whilst moving your camera down towards the ground. This shot is great for showing off your location whilst also revealing your car and adding cinematic movement.
The lowrider push forward crane through window broomstick shot. I'm going to patent this one. We're going to push forward with our broomstick in lowrider mode and then crane up in through the driver's side window and into the back of the car. This could be the most unusual shot known to man, rather niche, but great for emphasizing movement, increases production value, and is the perfect way to make your epic car video stand out.
So those were 10 gimbal moves as individual clips. Now let's edit this footage together into an epic cinematic sequence. So there you have it. That is how you make any car look epic using a phone and a gimbal. If you'd like to see exactly how I edited that cinematic sequence and made the car look so epic, then make sure you watch next week's video where I'll be doing an editing tutorial to show you exactly how to edit a sequence like that with sound effects, music, color grading, everything. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.